All right, so this is a 2022 model. Fresh trade-in, we just got just a little over 60 hours on, like 61 hours out of this building, and in very, very good shape. This is how it was traded in. We haven't even had a chance to clean it and detail it yet. So once we get done, the boat's going to be a 9 out of 10. It's going to be a really, really nice boat. So it does have the water sports tower. I love this model, and it has a really, really big water bimini top for a boat this size. Flip-flop backrest on the back, very pontoon-like. So if kids are tubing or whatever, or people are swimming, I'll peek this way. Got plenty of room back there on the back of the boat. Great storage underneath that side also. Storage underneath all of your seats all the way around, and dual flip-flop backrest here. So you can flip both of these forward while when you're at anchor, give you a bigger cockpit area, or if everyone wants to sit facing forward while the boat's underway, you can flip it that way. In-floor ski locker. Very, very good stowage in here. Now, right now, we've got both of the covers down in there as well as the table, but a ton of room down in there. It's one of the advantages of doing your walkthrough over on the side as opposed to in the middle. It just gives you a bigger helm area for storage inside. And because you've got this sidewalk, it allows you to seat more people in the front of the boat facing forward, which is a little bit more comfortable than the people all the way on the outside. So really, really nice boat. 250 SDXs have been really popular for us. I doubt this will stay on the market for long. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We would love to talk to you. This one is also listed without a trailer, just so you know, but trailers are available.